Moving is not just about boxes, trucks, and furniture. It is a major life transition, and it can bring stress, excitement, pressure, and a lot of emotions all at once. Even when you are organized, moving can still feel like a lot. Three Movers notes that moving house is often considered one of life's major stressful events. So it makes sense to approach it with more patience and awareness. A mindful move begins with accepting that some stress is normal. Instead of fighting every anxious thought, pause and remind yourself that moving is a big change, and it is okay to feel that. When things feel rushed, take a short breathing break. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly, and give yourself a minute to reset. This helps you come back to the moment instead of reacting to the pressure. Visualization can also help. Take a moment to imagine your moving day going smoothly, your belongings arriving safely, and yourself settling into your new space with a calmer mindset. Before moving day, try not to sacrifice all your rest. A tired mind makes small problems feel bigger. Even if you cannot sleep perfectly, giving yourself quiet time can help you feel more prepared. Packing can make your home feel crowded and chaotic. A short walk outside, or even a few minutes of fresh air, can give your mind a break before you return to the next task. It is easy to think, what if everything goes wrong? Instead, ask yourself, how likely is that? This small shift can stop one worry from turning into a whole list of imagined problems. A mindful move is not about doing everything perfectly. It is about slowing down enough to focus on the next box, the next room, or the next decision without letting the full move overwhelm you. Do not forget food, water, and simple comfort. Keep snacks, meals, and a water bottle nearby on moving day. Your body needs fuel when you are carrying both physical and emotional stress. Talk to someone you trust when the move feels heavy. A quick conversation, a little humor, or even a short break from talking about the move can help you feel more grounded. A mindful move will not remove every challenge, but it can help you handle the process with more clarity, balance, and patience. For more moving tips and guidance on making your relocation feel smoother, visit threemovers.com and read the full guide.